What's up guys, my name is Kyle, I'm here at Texas Marine, and today we've got an awesome walk around for you on an Avalon Venture 85 center console. This boat is powered by a 150 Suzuki. You're going to top end around mid-30s on this boat. Equipped at the helm on this boat, you have a Garmin GPS fish finder as well as a Fusion stereo system, and you also have an ice blue light package on this boat. Of course, with the layout of this boat, you have two twin couches here in the stern of the boat, and on every Avalon, under every seat, you have open frame storage, especially on this boat when you're going to be fishing and doing a lot of activities. You're going to throw some wet rags in there. It'll help with mildewing, help with airing out and that nasty smell that you get on the boat. And that is the Avalon Venture 85 Center Console 23. Thank you.